Hello guys, today we have Samsung A50 microphone not working. Customer bring this device and told me he dropped the device on water and after that the speaker is no longer working. As you can see at the lenses we have water. So I guess we have a lot of water in there. So I'm going to remove the plastic back side. You can heat the plastic pack at 150 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. After that we will grab a piece of plastic and we will put it in there and we start detach the back plastic. We don't have fingerprint flex cable at the top, but we have flex cable which connect the sub to the main board in the middle of the phone. So we don't need to push that piece into the middle. You can just push it at the edges and that's it. Every time when you think you need heat, you can heat and then you can continue detaching the back plastic. Every time when your device get into the water, directly go to the repair shop. Don't put your device with rice. Doesn't do anything. The customer told me they put it in rice and the rice didn't solve the problem. Of course, this will not solve the problem. We will solve the problem, not the rice. We are working. The rice is nothing. It's it. We are almost there. We have just a little and then we will be able to remove the back. I speed this up a little because there is no need to be in a slow down. You can now see the two flex cables connect the sub and the screen to the main board. That's why I didn't told you to push the plastic piece to the middle of the phone. Otherwise you can end up of cutting one of these wires. Anyway, you can remove all the screws, then remove the SIM card slot. It's important because we are going to remove the housing. You can detach it using your nails or any plastic tools. I don't recommend a metal tool. Wow, we have a large amount of water. Just unplug the battery and then remove this water by fine and then we will continue our work. Too much water. This is the first time I see that amount of water inside the device. Even though that the device is brand new and never been opened before. I'm confused. Maybe it stayed in the water for a few seconds or minutes. Continue unplug the flex cables, the sub to the main board, the screen to the main board. What I'm doing right now, I'm not cleaning, I just removing the water with the fine, just for now, because I don't need the water to spread all over the devices and the pieces etc. Now we can remove the sub. I remove the screws, unplug the flex cables. This is the sensor of the fingerprint. I have put some alcohol to the brush because I'm going to heat the subboard in order to remove it and I don't need the water to be turned into corrosion when I heat the subboard. This is somehow clever. I don't heat the water, I heat the alcohol for now. Remember, this is not just cleaning. We are heating the adhesive under the subboard so we can remove it without any damage. Remember to unplug the antenna because we don't need to cut that wire. Seems that the water has been reached all the parts, so we are going to make cleaning all over the parts, and then we will put some parts with the ultrasonic machine. I'm cleaning with the alcohol using the brush to remove some of the water before putting it onto the ultrasonic machine. I don't need the alcohol to mix too much with the water. That's it, I'm removing the water from the outside. As I told you, we need to clean all over the parts. We have the screen flex cable. I just clean it using the brush and the fine, or you can use cotton. Now we will do that to the flex cables, both flex cables. Seems this device can be solved easily because the water still not dried. When the water got dried, and then disasters comes, because after that the water comes to or turns into corrosion, and then shorts will appear and damaging will appear, spurred, etc. So for now nothing is damaged, nothing is burnt, so we are just going to stick with the cleaning, and after that we will see if anything need to be replaced or not. Remove the black screw from the board, and then you can unplug the antenna. I'm touching a lot of water in there. The water, as you can see, it's in the back and in the back of the board. Too much water was on the main board. Okay, we are going to cleaning now. Unblock cameras, the triple camera. Unblock the front camera. You can remove the water from the frame or the housing. Clean sub antenna, it's at the left. As I told you, I'm going to remove any amounts of water before putting it onto the ultrasonic cleanser, because I don't need the water to be mixed with the alcohol. I just need it to be pure alcohol. I'm looking at the shield. The shield can't be removed using your hands. This needs to be heat down and removed, so I'm not going to remove any shields. I'm just going to put it onto the ultrasonic machine, and that's it. Just remove the antenna is left. I'm going to put both with the ultrasonic machine. While the boards are on the machine, I'm going to start cleaning all the parts left, the cameras, the battery, and the vibration. Also, we have the fingerprint sensor. Clean it. Clean all over the parts left, the power button, and the antennas. Now I have removed them from the ultrasonic. After that, we will make cleaning with the brush, and then we will heat it using the heat gun with the 150 Celsius degree, and that's it. Is to dry the alcohol. Of course, don't be too much hard on the parts. We don't need to remove any components. It's just a slight brush. Now you can use the heat gun to dry the alcohol. After that, we will test and see what things we have still not working. I'm going to assemble all the parts because I'm going to see if there is any damage will be appears. Now let's power on the device and see if it will works. Okay, the device is working. Of course it was working before. Sometimes after cleaning things could be damaged. So let's see what we can do. Touch screen is working also. I'm going to put the frame because we have the loudspeaker on it, because I'm going to hear if the microphone is working or not.
Test 1, test 1, test 2. Test 1, test 1, test 2.
Alright, with the cleaning we were able to solve the microphone. If you have any question, you can just write down on the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.